Kasi na-analyze ko talaga.
Ouch! Di ba ganun ako? Ang tagal mag-thinking. Hindi ako, natutuwa nga ako. Although ko nalaman.
Whoa! Get your free phone!
Ibang version to eh.
Go!
Ibang version
Cheers!
eh.
Hearing mo?
Oo. Ibang version eh.
Five.
Kumakain ako lang. May halo. Basta ano yung malang beat? Sorry, iba lang.
Yeah. It's try again. Step, try again is the beat.
Sarviki. Ayaw ka talaga sumayaw. Baka may talagang free. And you. Wala hindi ko kasabay music. Dapat dito pa lang papasok yung ano eh. Hello! Super hulog! Sorry.
Galing nga. Finally! Wow! Thanks!
Nice.
Sorry, hindi ako kapag...
No, thanks.
So mag-sorry sa...
Wala, hindi nakasabay sa music yun.
Pinakis mo yun?
Hindi.
Wow! Finally!
Thank you po. I asked for it.
Wow! I asked already one for it. Back then yung pinag-usapan natin, hindi bigay.
Ha?
Wow!
Sorry.
Bagong dance move?
Oo. Super hulog kaya. Wala kasi step yung short ko eh.
At hindi hingang. Hindi ka nahihingal ako.
Hindi naman hindi ko na super sayaw.
Ba't hindi ka nahihingal? Sige. You can do it, no?
Sa school mo na yan. Hearing.
Why?
Ginawa mo yung lahat? Back then?
Putol. Yung unang part, tsaka yung part na
With the partner? What's that?
Yung part na nabasa ko dito. Yung unang part, dance. Tapos sa gitna ng routine, pinatugtog yung yung sa yung partner, spit it out,
Yeah.
in your face, yung partner, basket toss yun.
Ano yun?
Diba, silence when I spit it out. May ganon. Dalawa. Ganon.
Oh, so it's cut the version. The version is cut sa inyo.
May song in between.
Si Robert kakilala yung song? What's the first song?
Bizarre Love Triangle.
Sino kumakanta yan?
kumakanta ko yung dito.
Oh? I heard it for the first time. Maybe the chorus, if I hear it, then I know what it is. Oh. Oh.
Oh, sing and dance na, song and dance. I never should, whenever I get this way, I just don't know what to say. Why can't we be ourselves like we were yesterday? I'm not sure what this could mean. I don't think you're what you think. I do it just to myself. I heard someone else and I'll never just what we're meant to be. Every time I see you falling, I get down on my knees and say, I'm waiting for that final moment. You say the words that I can't say. Every time I see you falling, I'll get down on my knees and pray. I'm waiting for that final moment. You.
Right.
Alam mo yung ano?
Wow. See, talaga alam. Cooking, dancing, singing, lahat talaga.
Lapada and salsa.
Not today, full program. Thanks, entertaining pa oh. Magagawa ka ng own spot. G-Man spot. I'm not only cooking for you, I'm dancing and singing for you.
Oo, may entertainment.
And that entertainment happens while we are eating together, diba? A dinner, a special dinner with Gia. The song, ano pangalan ng song?
Bizarre Love Triangle.
How bizarre, how bizarre. Sino kumanta?
Ito, yung version na yan.
MY?
Hindi ba yung original?
Hindi, ang original disco version. Tanan.
Ah, yeah. Now I know.
Every time I think of you.
Yes, I know now this. Dahil iba parang in acoustic no first time.
Ang ganda kaya.
In acoustic, yeah.
Dati, ay wala. Hindi,
Ayan,
naalala
one
mo
of
yung
the
guy
dati.
na yung parang, yung kinukontak sa yung reason kung bakit ako galit sa
Yeah.
compliment. Parang naging, isa yan sa mga naging song. Kasi different time na yun.
Mm-hmm. The Bizarre Life of Love Triangle. Masarap, thanks.
Yeah, ulisin mo.
Masarap talaga, masarap.
Get mo.
What's with a smile? Naalala mo, Robert, nung unang gabi mo dito, tanong ako ng tanong. Sabi, lagi ko sinasabi, meron kang devious smile. Di ba, devious?
Dance, Miguel.
Masarap talaga.
Pinaghirapan.
Alam mo ba kung anong tawag ni Kuya kay Kian?
Ano?
Kazen.
Oh,
Kazen eh.
Oo.
Oo.
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Kazen.
Mr. Kazen. Kazen.
The whole week was really ano, ha? Para sa
Hindi.
lack of, no, actually a week of how to get, diba mom ka na sa ano, kay Pan. Yeah, but now with knowing how to wash na, you were cooking all over na.